Hello, my name is Maya Singh Sharkey, and today we are going to be talking about phantom limbs. The term phantom limb covers the common sensation many amputees feel after losing one of their limbs. In many cases, these phantom limbs are a source of pain for amputees, often characterized by a sensation of paralysis in the missing limb. This paralysis of the phantom limb is often caused by the paralysis of the limb before amputation. When a paralyzed arm is intact, even though the motor cortex may send signals to allow movement of this limb, feedback from sensory neurons in the skin, muscles, and joints would go dead, and after a while this experience would change the synapses in the brain. Because no sensation occurs when these motor commands are fired, the association between motor command and sensation goes weaker and weaker at the synapses of these neurons every time a command is fired. This makes paralysis a kind of learned behavior by the brain, and this behavior is carried on even after amputation. Obviously, the phantom limb cannot be amputated to end this paralysis. However, there is a way of tricking the brain into giving up this learned behavior. Researchers created a mirror box in which an amputee could set their missing limb behind and their intact counterpart limb in front of, superimposing their intact hand over where their other hand should be. In individuals with paralyzed phantoms, this brings a whole new phenomenon. The mirror visual feedback of the non-existent limb following the amputee's commands when symmetric movements are performed alleviates the paralysis and eventually makes the phantom go away completely. Researchers haven't settled why this occurs, but many believe it is because the brain gives up in a way after experiencing no skin or muscle feedback, weakened motor control signals, and this new visual feedback that defies all other sensory inputs. While we're not 100% sure if this is why, mirror box therapy is now being used in a widespread form of treatments for afflictions from paralysis after strokes to complex regional pain syndrome. Sometimes beauty is in simplicity, and sometimes the most effective treatment for brain plasticity gone awry is a mirror and a cardboard box. Thank you.